Hey, I'm Tim Briggs with Collision Edge, here to show you a few products today. These are our estimating sticks. There's a few things here, the blend stick, we've got an estimating stick and a dent sizer. I just want to show you how we use these tools. One, the dent sizer, a lot of guys really like that for several reasons. Let's just assume that we have a dent here. It's really easy. Sometimes it's hard to see the size of the dent when you take a picture, but it's really easy to lay that out there and be able to accurately take a picture and capture the size of damage for your insurance partners and customers. The other thing that's nice, and this is a common problem, is when you apply decals and emblems that don't have holes, sometimes it's hard to figure out exactly where they went. And you end up with a technician that turns around and comes to the front office and says, "Can you pull a picture up that shows me where this went?" Takes a lot of time, costs you a lot of money. What this does, if you'll look at it, you lay your tool there, and you can use the other stick. I've got a smaller one as well. What this does, when I come here, what I would do is I would take a picture of this in the repair planning process. And if you'll notice, this picture, you can print this out, put it in the bag where the emblem is going to go eventually, and there's no question as to where this emblem goes. And there's no waiting, there's no wasted time trying to figure out exactly where things go. And the emblem is exactly back in the place it was in its original condition. So the other thing we do, the blend stick. These products are all they're laser etched on a magnet. They're not printed. They won't fade. They won't distort. The material rolls really nice, and you can roll it and leave it rolled up for a while, and it'll uncoil, and it stays nice. As far as the way we do this, though, is if this is your damage, you're obviously going to have a couple of things. You're going to have body filler. You're going to have primer. And what we do is we try to equate for that. So if the dent size is here, we're going to double that for body filler. So that's a body filler estimation. I might even write body filler. Okay, and then you're going to have primer. So we'll come outside of that for primer, just to give an estimation. Then the stick lays with the primer edge here, and I'll come and I'm going to take a picture of that for documentation for the insurance companies and your customers. So if you look at this, there's no question that a dent that size is going to require you to get into the adjacent panel. And when you get in the adjacent panel, you're doing a quality repair. You're getting the R&I time, all your R&I times. You're getting the job put back exactly like it should be. You're not going to be held up by trying to butt match a panel when your blend edge is too close. So there's all these advantages. This tool has worked really well, and the first time you use it, literally it pays for itself. So thank you for your time today. I appreciate you guys checking this out, and give us a call. Again, it's Collision Edge. Thank you.